Hey YouTube, this is my first video on my new Dynex tripod, and I'm doing an unboxing. Not quite sure what I received, but because I've ordered several things, but I'll just do the unboxing here. And let's get to the box. Sealed air. Okay, wow, I've never seen this from Amazon. Let's see what's in here. Okay, these are my items I won from bidsaver.com. Congratulations from bidsaver.com. Enjoy, and please be sure to add a video testimonial for free bids. So, I'm guessing this is the Nintendo DSi I won. So I'll just go ahead and take this off. Okay. I've won 2 items from bidsaver.com. Well, actually 3, but the other one hasn't shipped here, which was a $50 Starbucks gift card. Okay, just trying to get... They wrapped it really nicely. Wow. Here is the Nintendo DSi I won for $18.49. And I'll go ahead and get this. I think I know what this is. Okay, it's like in a box, kind of like a shoebox. Okay, this is the Logitech QuickCam Pro 9000, and here is the back. I'll be doing 2 other videos on the unboxing of these products, and I'll also be doing an unboxing of the Green Day 21st Century video. So, keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Okay, this is just order and return information inside. Guess I'll look at this. Okay, I won't show that because it shows my address. And so, that was the unboxing of my items I received from bidsaver.com. I'll be doing 2 separate videos on the Logitech QuickCam Pro 9000 and the Nintendo DSi, the anpippin, and I'll see you later. And check out www.bidsaver.com to win tons of great items just like I did. See you later.